Hello, my name is Szymon Polok and I am the co-founder of Web Anatomy, the company behind Storm. In this video tutorial, I will guide you through setting up your first live stream using our Storm Streaming Cloud and OBS. Let's get started. Before we begin, there are a few things we have to keep in mind. Firstly, you will need an active account on Storm Streaming Cloud. You can easily sign up on our website and opt for a free trial. It takes just a few minutes to set up. We don't require your credit card information or any similar details, so if you decide our service does not meet your needs, there is no charge. You will also need to download and install OpenBroadcaster OBS, the most popular tool for creating live streams. It's free and is available on multiple platforms including Windows, macOS and Linux. OBS can be downloaded from obsproject.com. The link is included in the description. Lastly, having your own website is optional. Storm Streaming Cloud provides an embed code that you can insert into your website's HTML code. If you don't have a website yet, you can use a dedicated page hosted on our platform. First, let's log in into our Storm Streaming Cloud panel. This is where you control every aspect of your streams. I will briefly introduce a few key pages before we dive into creating our first stream. The dashboard page synthesizes essential information about your streams, such as subscription duration, data transfer used, and current live streams count. Below, you will see a live map displaying your viewers in real time along with basic statistics. I will briefly cover the most important sections of our control panel. Live streams. List of all broadcasts where you can create, edit, or delete streams. Stream sources. Provides a list of LTMP streams published on external servers, which can be used for your broadcasts. Restream targets. Is where you can integrate your social media for restreaming from the Storm Cloud. Statistics. Offer insight into viewer count, average playback duration, and data usage. Settings. Allows customization of player themes and adding new control panel users. To create a new stream, navigate to Live Stream sections and click Create Stream in the upper right corner. Enter a name of your stream, which will also serve as its title. Keep it precise yet brief. The remaining process involves a 6-step setup. Step 1. Basic info. Here you can modify your stream name and add a more detailed description. Next, you choose the streaming region closest to you for a stable lag-free connection. Optionally, you can set up countdown for your stream by specifying exact broadcast start time along with your time zone. Click Save and Next Step. Step 2. Sources. Choose how to deliver the stream to Storm Streaming Cloud. The default option is Push Stream, where you literally push content using a third-party application like OBS. Optionally, if your stream is already published on an external server, you can set the cloud to pull from that location. Step 3. Encoder. Depending on your subscription, select either the Adaptive Bitrate feature or Basic Pass-Through mode. Adaptive Bitrate transcodes your stream into multiple substreams of varying resolutions. Pass-Through mode, available for trial subscriptions, involves no encoding but at the same time minimizes delay. Step 4. Player. Customize your player's appearance and behavior. Our web video player provides you with a vast array of parameters and settings, enabling you to integrate it seamlessly into your website. You have the flexibility to select colors for almost every element, position a watermark, and set its location. Additionally, you can modify the player's behavior, such as enabling auto start or dictating when the interface should be hid if not interacted with. Although this step permits the creation of a new theme or editing an existing one, this tutorial will utilize the default style without any modifications. You can also assign images for poster and waiting room. Simply drag and drop your files into the respective boxes. Step 5. Restream targets. Here you can set up restreaming to popular social networks. The moment your stream goes live, Storm Streaming Cloud will copy and simultaneously push your broadcast into other popular social media services like YouTube, Twitter, or Facebook. This step requires specific URLs and stream keys and is optional. Step 6. Summary. Review all settings, then scroll down and click Finish. Your stream is now created but not yet published. For that, we'll need OBS. Even though your stream is listed, it's still marked as unpublished. To publish, configure OBS with the following settings. In Settings, go to Output tab, then change mode to Advanced. Now pick encoder X264. As bitrate, set 2500. Keyframe interval set to 1 second. CPU usage super fast. Profile high. Tune 0 latency. Now switch to Video tab, and as base and output resolution set 1280 x 720. Finally, pick Stream tab. As service, select Custom. Now we'll have to specify server URL, stream key, and after enabling user authentication, also username and password. All those pieces of information can be found on summary page. Now click OK, and the only thing left to do is to add a source to our scene. A source can be anything: a video file, a live capture device like camera, or even a specific screen on your computer. To begin streaming, click Start Broadcasting and wait for a green box indicating a successful connection. If the box turns orange or red, that might indicate a problem with your internet connection or incorrect credentials. Now it's time to publish your stream via Storm Cloud. Log back to our control panel, select your stream, and click Publish Switch. From that moment, your broadcast is live and your viewers will see it. To end your broadcast, unpublish the stream and disconnect OBS. And that's everything you need to know to start your very first broadcast on Storm Streaming Cloud. For more information, please check our documentation page, which will provide you with all necessary details not only regarding our cloud service, but also how to integrate our players on your website or mobile application. All important links are included in the video description.